The Microsoft NextStep Initiative Day is a day where middle school students at Dallas ISD come to explore careers in technology.
Essentially, it's a day for the students, so they can come to Microsoft and understand the power that they possess, which is their self-confidence. And we did that today by having coding workshops, learning about artificial intelligence, learning how to network and connect with one another, and also team building by building airplanes that is going to test out their engineering concepts.
Raising Cane's has decided to provide lunch for the students at the DISD here at Microsoft because the kids in this community are truly the kids in our community.
Today has been really fun. I've been coding, talking about stuff with the robot, programming a game and everything.
I thought the tour was great and inspirational.
My favorite thing about the tour is how the AIs work and how they respond to questions.
My favorite part of today has just been exploring Microsoft. I would love to work at Microsoft in the future because the environment is great.
They don't see engineers and they don't see software developers every single day, so for them to get the opportunity to meet individuals that not only hold those positions but also look like them is important to light their pathway in their future and understand the possibilities of what can be for their lives.
If you're not learning technology, right, you will be left behind. The numbers for Black and minorities within technologies are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5% at even like the top companies. So we want to change that and create this school to technology pipeline that can provide huge opportunities for these students.
STEM is so important because that's where a lot of the careers are going.
I definitely think that it is important for my students to see themselves reflected in those that work here at Microsoft.
Yes, it showed me how people just like me who enjoy doing the same things as me, how they pursued their dream just like I want to pursue my dream.
Thank you, Microsoft.
Thank you, Microsoft.
Thank you, Microsoft.
Thank you, Microsoft.
Thank you to Microsoft and the NextStep Initiative for supporting our Dallas ISD Young Scholars.
Please support the Dallas Education Foundation.
And together, we'll accelerate student success.